Alright, let's do this. Time to feed these hungry Steam Deck fans. Hello viewers, good morning and good afternoon. Another beautiful day. Yeah, hope your five senses work, health and strength is good. Or excellent. Alright, look, what I got for you guys since we're talking video games here. Okay, let's see. What do we got? Okay, let's see. Alright. Okay, you Steam Deck fans, I got you covered. I got you covered, man. It's nothing. I got you covered. Watch this. Okay, let's see here. Let's see here. Steam will now show you who is playing on Steam Deck. Okay. Kind of like how the Nintendo Wii U does it. PS3 360 does it. Okay. It says here, Steam will now show you who is playing on Steam Deck in the latest Steam client beta for desktop and Steam Deck. Valve will actually show you who is gaming on the Steam Deck. A small cosmetic change, but a fun one for Steam Deck fans. This is only for beta and preview on Steam Deck currently. That will eventually roll out for everyone into a stable update. Sorry about that. It says here for desktop beta, the friends list will now show Steam Deck icon instead of the gamepad icon. If the other users is playing on the Steam Deck, replace the friends list VR icon with a new graphics that also matches the in-game or online friend state color. Fix are a few spots where tooltips were causing unexpected word warp. Recording and screenshot. Fix error that could happen when opening the recording and screenshot dialog before necessary data had load in. Improves search filter behavior in the game selector downpad in recording and screenshot dialog. And then it says added support for send to phone share option to screenshots. For my own friends list, for example, spot the one currently on Steam Deck. And then it says, and then use below are specifically from the Steam Deck beta. Game recording data. Fix instance of failing to capture video data after multiple game launches. Fix crop video capture when an external display is connected or disconnected after startup. Yeah, you guys are good, so you can see who's playing on the Steam Deck now, huh? Nice. Well done, Valve. Keep going. Anyway, and oh, by the way, Valve, we're still waiting on the Steam Deck too, just to let you know. Anyway, what I got for you guys. Okay, Jackbox Mega Picker has been corrupting some Steam Decks. A bit of an oops here with the newly released Jackbox Mega Picker with native Linux version causing the Steam Deck to get corrupted. There were reports floating around in places like Reddit with people discussing it in our Discord as well. This has caused the Jackbox team to now post on your Steam forum. We are excited to have the Jackbox Mega Picker out in the world for our fans to enjoy. Unfortunately, at this time, we've seen a handful of reports coming in regarding issues with the Mega Picker on Steam Deck. Engineering and QA teams are working hard to resolve the issue and hope to get everyone back into gaming in no time. However, it is our current recommendation that the Steam Deck users refrain from downloading the Jackbox Mega Picker until further notice. We hope to be able to resolve this issue ASAP. If you're currently having issues with the Jackbox Mega Picker on Steam Deck, please reach out. Support jackboxgaming.com. Valve developer Pierre Luke Griffius have also posted on X to note it. A hotfix has been issued to selected Proton by default for the Jackbox Mega Picker until the issues with corrupting the Steam installation are addressed. To avoid issues, don't override the compatibility selection to the Linux runtime. This is quite a big problem that a single game could cause your Steam Deck to be unusable without reloading the whole SteamOS install. Hopefully, Valve will be looking into how this was ever possible to get the Steam client and SteamOS to be protected against such issues in the future. They will. Give it time. Now, what else we got? On the Steam Deck front here. Alright, what else we got? Let's see, what? Intel Core Ultra launch no, Intel Core Ultra Lunar Lake launches September 3rd. Yeah, Intel is about to lay off some people too. You know, about 10,000 of them. Oh yeah, I saw the article over on WCCF Tech. It says here, while Intel are currently battling issues with their crashing 13th and 14th gen CPU, they're now planning to launch Intel Core Ultra Lunar Lake in September. In a short press release, Intel said, ahead of the IFA 2024 conference, joined Michelle Johnson and Holdhaus, Intel Executive Vice President and General Manager of Client Computing Group, and Jim Johnson, Senior Vice President and General Manager of Client Business Group, and Intel partners as they launch the next generation of Intel Core Ultra processors codenamed Lunar Lake. During the live stream event, they will reveal details on the new processor breakthrough, x86 power efficiency, exceptional core performance, massive leap in graphics performance, and unmatched AI computing power that will drive this and future generation of Intel products. Then it says, I'm especially interested to see how the new XC2 GPU performs. We're really getting to golden age of machines that don't really need a big, fat, dedicated GPU to run a huge amount of games. Just look at the Steam Deck and what it is achieved. And as always, the industry moves quickly, and we're about to get another interesting boost. Anyway, alright, what else we got on the Steam Deck front? Let's see here. What else we got here? Super costly slice of live sim garden patch is out now. Says the garden patch from developer Carrot Cake is a slice of life sim about the joy of gardening, designed to be picked up and played in short and sweet bites. It's a real cozy gem you should take a look at. Another great Godot engine game release, a game you really can just jump in whenever you want, since time continues along with real world. So load it up whenever you feel like it to see what's changed and find some new trailers, event activities, and distractions waiting for you each day. And then it says here, designed with some play sessions in mind, enjoy 10 to 30 minutes of daily errands, visitors, and more to explore with real-time progression. Even when you're all away, cultivate plant whistles to charm songfish, design your home, help your new friends, play your way, and focus on what you enjoy. Meet an endearing trope of travelers who will come and go, and a playful cast of vegetables ahead, resident, each with their own stories to tell. Piece together a whimsical history as you discover the secrets of the garden. And it says lush, illustrated visuals and twinkling day/night soundtrack to complete your stay. Invite another to join you in the local co-op mode and nurture your garden together. More about the developer. Founded in Bristol, UK in 2016 by illustrator Louis Durant, Carrot Cake previously developed the beautiful European fable cross to the Cold Valley and Kingdom K, an abstract retelling of the world's oldest stories prior to their work on the Garden Path. Durant is a one-person development team whose primary goal is to build spaces that people want to exist in. With the Garden Path mantra can be seen in every facet of the game. Growing up watching the Moaning and Studio Ghibli films, Durant credited both works as inspiration for Garden Paths. There are some initial Steam Deck issues for this one, but the developer has already done a couple of quick patches, so it should be okay now. You can buy it. Native Linux support, itch.io, Steam. Alright, what else we got? Let's see, we got anything else? Okay, one more. Temp Swarm developer highlights their work on Steam Deck support. It's a nice little article here. Looks like Temp Swarm spin-off from Crema and GG Tech Studios from the original online creator collector Temp seems like it's going to have a great Steam Deck support at release. This time around, the developers are jumping into the ever-increasing survivor like genre made popular by Vampire Survivor with their own unique spin on it. They've taken the simple classic Survivor gameplay but add in their strategic-based combat mechanics where you and up to 3 others can play together online alongside creatures from the Temp universe. In a post on Steam today, the developer highlighted their work to ensure it works well. Over clever little monkeys have been working tirelessly to make sure the game feels great in your hands. The game interface scales beautifully to the deck screen so you can keep track of your Temp squad and incoming enemy hordes with ease. And of course, full controller support lets you unleash your inner swarm battling masters without ever needing to touch a keyboard. Then it says, since there's going to be a lot going on, they need to make sure the game performs well. In some cases it didn't, so they went into a bit of detail on how they've been making sure that it does. You might be asking yourself how we get hundreds of details Temp models to show on the screen without making the system crash and burn. For that, we relied on the amazing tech art and programming team to find ways to make the magic happen. Normally Temp are animated using skeletons, but with so many animated characters on screen at once, this can really slow things down, so we use a special technique to bake animation into texture, which allowed us to have graphics card GPUs and those animation. This frees up the processor CPU for other tasks like enemies behavior, executing your attacks and dashing movement. It says the VX team also responsible for making a ton of beautiful animation with eyes catching particles effects for the pickup team. There can be a lot of those items on the screen at once, especially after Platypet's tsunami goes off. Those animation and particles were being handled by the CPU, but using a similar technique they made it so that the process could be handled by the GPU instead. It says on the programming side of things, we noticed the game was chugging a bit when players were going wild at the same time, especially when the host of a co-op game was on the Steam Deck. Turns out one of the plugins we're using wasn't built for such chaotic fun. The team cooked up some special tweaks just for the Steam Deck, and voila, the game runs like a dream, even with a whole crew of players causing mayhem. And then they say all of this means that the swarm can be larger, drop more items, and chase you harder, all while the Steam Deck runs like a dream. We have even more we can optimize, so we'll keep pushing to have the best experience possible. Even as non-developers, I definitely enjoy seeing game developers note down specifically what they're doing. It makes for a fun read, and testing performance against the Steam Deck is just a great idea because it gives you a decent target to optimize for that then benefits all players. Then it says the currently no release date other than quarter 4 2024, and they said in a post it's a few months away. Still, check out the previous trailer, and it says follow it on Steam. So there, you guys are covered. News, deals, games, update, the usual. Yeah, I got you guys covered, man. The Steam Deck way. Anyway, yeah, you guys are good, man. So whatever news I find, definitely let you know. So you Steam Deck fans are covered. So Valve got a new way now to see who's using the Steam Deck and who's on PC. Okay, cool. Nope. Yeah, people are playing on it, so make no mistake about it. People are playing, so some people use the laptop, some people use desktop, some people use the Steam Deck or other portable PCs, so yeah. Valve got you covered, man. They're always updating things, so any more updates come up, I'll let you know. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Nice talking to you people again. Chris, still Star Wars and Star Trek Flying Board. Dark Side. Come. Peace.